Hey guys, welcome to my classroom. Today I'm going to be telling you the best investment you can make this year. Okay, I've been doing a whole lot of research and I've been able to pinpoint it. All right, I'm going to give you the full details at the end of the video. It's not too late to start. Okay, you can start, the year is still fresh. A lot of people are already cashing out with this best investment that you can do. Okay, you're still early. You can start it and still make money. You're never too late. Okay, that's why I'm bringing you the information now that it is still very fresh. But for you to get this information about the best investment you can do, I've done my research. I worked with a few other persons who are knowledgeable with how to make money online, and we have come to the conclusion that this is the best. Okay, I'm going to give it to you at the end of this video. Make sure you stick around. Okay, I put it at the end of the video because I want you to watch this video right till the end. I'm going to lay a foundation for you at the beginning. All right. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. It helps the algorithm to recommend this video to more and more people. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And I want to see your comment at the end of the video. First of all, let us address the elephant in the room. What is the elephant in the room? That thing that takes away the bulk of your money. I'm going to tell you that parasite that eats up the bulk of your money. And we will handle that before I now introduce you to the best investment that you can make. Okay? Because you need money to do that investment. So let's kill the parasite that is eating your money first before I give you that recommendation. When I minimize my image now, you are going to see that parasite that has been eating up your money. So I'm going to count down from 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? That's it. Ignorance. Ignorance is very powerful. Ignorance is very, very powerful. Ignorance takes away almost 90% of all the money you make. Now, why do you eat at the restaurants? Probably because you are ignorant of how to cook. Okay? Why are mechanics there? Mechanic workshops, because you are ignorant about basic maintenance of your vehicle. Any small thing, you panic, you run to your mechanic, you don't know what to do. There are some things that don't demand you rushing to the mechanic. Okay? And when you get to the mechanic, because the mechanic knows that you are ignorant, it will make you spend times 10 of what you're supposed to spend because you have no clue of what is happening. So the mechanic is going to amplify the problem and charge you more. Now, let's look at hospitals. Hospitals are another institution that benefits from ignorance. If you knew what to eat, how to live right, do the necessary exercises, get your adequate sleep, take care of yourself, you probably wouldn't have to go to the hospital. But you're ignorant of how to take care of yourself and what to eat. That is why you end up in the hospital. And people are ignorant of how to heal themselves. That's why we have doctors. Okay? That is why we have doctors. And that is why they make money. So they are also beneficiaries of ignorance. Ignorance is very, very powerful. All right? So I know a lot of people who have clippers, but when they want to have a haircut, they go to the barber shop to pay the barber. Why? Because they have the ignorance of how to do it. If they could do it, they would do it themselves. I know somebody, after we did a calculation, 3% of his monthly income goes to his haircut. All right. Now, we go to the market to buy food stuff. All right. Everybody eats. Even those that can cook, everybody eats. You go to the market to buy food stuff because you have ignorance about how to grow your own food. I know people that have land everywhere. Even at your backyard, there's plenty of land. You could plant things like vegetables, peppers, just those minor things that you will use money to buy. But you are ignorant about how to do it, and that is why you are having to pay for it. So ignorance is expensive. What you are ignorant about, you will pay for it. I see a lot of gurus on the internet. They want to teach you how to do Forex. They want to make money from your ignorance. They want to teach you how to do crypto. They want to make money from your ignorance. All right? So ignorance is the major thing that takes money from your pocket. When people render you services, It's because they are doing for you something that you cannot do for yourself. All right? Do we agree on that? Okay, we agree on that. Now we're going to talk about the best investment that you can make for yourself. Okay? The best investment you can make for yourself is skills acquisition. Bro, learn a skill. Learn a skill. Now, when you invest in knowledge, learning a skill, investment in knowledge is a double-edged sword. It not only saves you money, it also makes you money. Knowledge doesn't only save you money, it makes you money. Now, that money that you spend at the barber shop, if you learn how to barb, you will be able to not only save it, it will also make you to become a barber, to be able to be receiving money from those that are ignorant about barbing. Now, learning how to cook doesn't only stop you from spending money at the restaurant, it makes you to potentially be a restaurant where other people ignorant about cooking will come and give their money to. All right. If you learn how to join two electrical wires and repair your switch, it doesn't only save you the money you spend for the electrician, it also makes you money by you being the electrician that helps other people to fix their switches. If you learn basic maintenance in your vehicle, it saves you money and the time that you take to the mechanic every now and then. And at the same time, it can make you the money because potentially you're becoming the mechanic. All right. So the best investment you can make this year is to acquire skills. And another importance of acquiring skills, it prevents you from falling for scams. Now let us talk about the gurus. Real quick. Let's talk about the gurus. All right. The gurus. Who are the gurus? Those that come online, they make videos and they promise to teach you how to do e-commerce. They say they will build a Shopify store for you. Okay. Those that come and say they want to teach you how to trade Forex. Those that come and say they want to teach you how to trade crypto. Those people, they want to make money from your ignorance. But you know the most painful part of all these people promising to teach you these things and collecting your money? They will now say, oh, I have an ebook, a 10 minutes webinar. If you watch it, when you watch that webinar, you are going to waste your time because at the end of the webinar, they will ask you to bring money. They will say it's a free webinar, but at the end of it, they will ask you to bring money. All right. Now, they want to benefit from your ignorance. Now, do you know the saddest part? I'm not saying that they should not benefit from their ignorance, or they are offering you a service, they should get paid for it. Do you know the worst thing about it? They get these materials that they are going to send to your email after you pay for their course. They get these materials as free resources. Free resources on the internet. They get it and they send it to you. I know somebody that paid for a course, and the course he paid for, there were articles that were downloaded via Google search. Courses that are available for free on the internet. In the course that my friend paid for, there were even YouTube videos. Videos that are available for free on YouTube. Since you cannot go to the YouTube by yourself to get it, then I will go and get it and sell it to you. Okay? So part of acquiring a skill is killing your laziness. It is your ability to think outside the box. Because that thing that you will not get because you're lazy, that thing that you will not get because you don't want to think outside the box, somebody else who is not lazy and is able to think outside the box will go get it for free and come sell it to you. It's a new year. Make a decision that you will learn a skill today. There is no skill that you want to learn that you will not find a material about it for free on the internet. That you will not find a video that talks about it for free on the internet. It breaks my heart. There is a scammer, a Nigerian scammer, I don't want to mention his name, who goes about promising people that he can build them Shopify stores, and he collects $1,000 from each person. This guy has defrauded thousands and thousands of people. It's a senseless scam because he could collect the money and actually build them the stores. But the sad part is he collects the money and he blocks them. They never get to see him anymore. All right? Building a Shopify store, I know somebody who learned how to do it on YouTube. And he built Shopify stores. Now, because he got the knowledge, he is able to protect himself from the potential Shopify scammer. We can do better. Now, this is the summary of this video. I'm about to round up. Number one, acquiring knowledge saves you money because you no longer give your money to those people who are offering you that know-how that you crave. Number two, it earns you money. Knowledge earns money. Then number three, it's good for scam prevention. Now, if you're confused about what skill to learn, what skill should I learn? Now, this is an easy guide. Think about it. Look at yourself very well. What is that thing that takes money from you very often? What is that thing that takes money from you very often? Every time it takes money from you. What is that service that you always pay for? What is that service that you always pay for every time? Okay? Is it electrical? Do you always have electrical faults in your house and you always call the electrician? Is it plumbing? What is that thing? Do you love to eat cakes? You need to learn those things. That thing, even if you are not going to make money from that skill you're learning, at least to save you that money that you are spending. Another way you can learn these things is if it's plumbing, if it's electrical, anytime the electrician comes around, just stick around and see what they're doing. Sometimes it's just something very minor and that you're paying top dollar for. All right? I don't intend for this video to be too long. I just felt it in my spirit to share this information, okay? Please share this video. Somebody might benefit from it. Until I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Esibo. It is bye-bye.